Yes, a lighter. Using the Run Deals coupons, I was able to get this lighter for a cheaper price. Let's check it out. Okay, you guys, I took it out the package and I'm really impressed. When I look at it, it has a handle where you can place it right on the hook so you won't lose it in a drawer or something. It's right there when you need it. I know I lose a lot of lighters. Also, I love this little safety band here. If you have children, they're not able to turn it on automatically. They actually have to switch it over, which is awesome. And as you saw, when I switched over, it opened up. Right here is going to be that little light flare. I'm going to show you. To turn it on, you press this button right here. So let's go ahead and press it. Ooh, ooh. Take a look at that. I love candles. So as you see, it's really, really low. And it's hard to put my hands in jars to light it with the candles because I have my nails and sometimes it might flick on that as well. So I'm going to use this just like I just told you. I turn it on, touching that button. Awesome. I'm lit. All right, you all. Now I have a tea candle. It's going to give you a better look of that candle, how it's being lit. So what I'm going to do is going to put it right there on the wick. Press the button. And as you see, we are lit. All right, as you have seen, were able to light our big candle that was really low at the bottom and also our tea candle. I love it. There's always awesome deals on Run Deals. Come check them out.